Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another blog tech tips. In case you want to reset your Amazon Fire Stick, this is how you do it. So let's say, for example, you want to start afresh, you want to wipe everything clean and restart from the beginning. What you're gonna do is go here, you're gonna move all the way over, you're gonna go to settings, then you're gonna go to My Fire TV. Under here, you're gonna see here where it says reset to factory defaults. All right, so it's very easy. Go ahead and select. All right, and here it goes. It says you're about to reset your streaming media player to its original factory settings. Your sign-in information and personal preferences will be lost. So it's just telling you you'll be back to a basic setup, and it's just warning you. And of course, it's doing that to make sure you don't accidentally wipe your device. As for me, I will not be doing the process as it's straightforward from here. I'm just showing you where it's found. Go ahead and select reset by moving over and highlighting reset and then pressing the middle button here and reset. Remember before you proceed that it will delete everything on here. That includes your Amazon account in terms of you'll have to sign back into your Amazon account. You'll have to sign back into any apps. You'll have to re-download apps. So of course, all of the immediate data will be deleted. And of course, everything will have to be signed back in too. All right, so if you're clear on that, go ahead and do it, especially if you're going to sell a device or you just want to restart to start afresh. All right, so in the tutorial here, it's clear from here where to go. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.